this morning was by accident a little more stressful than we thought it would be, because we found out that a part of my backpack got lost. So we don't know if it got lost on the airport or maybe in the bus. So the hotel staff was quite helpful. They phoned around, so maybe it will show up again, but probably not. In the meantime, we are going out on the tour and we want to see the waterfalls today. And monkeys and beach. Yeah, and now we have our guide and Evie. So we are in the monkey forest. There are already some first monkey here and a lot more over there. There we are going, but maybe it will rain.
So this is your guy.
That's our guy. You are filmed also.
Yeah.
My name is Kevin.
Dadah, nice to meet you.
Tanya.
the lunch for today. This is gado-gado, which is vegetable with peanut sauce, and those chips on the side are tempeh. And over there we have urap, which is a vegetable with coconut, and also tempeh chips.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be spicy, I would assume. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And how is the taste? Next to spicy?
You want to try this one? This one, banana tree. We call ares, but it's a bit spicy.
Okay.
I already found some chilies.
Okay.
All here is spicy actually.
It's okay.
This one is traditional. You cannot find in the restaurant actually. Yeah.
With coconut also, huh?
No coconut because curry.
Okay. Coconut, banana.
This one we call ares.
Ares.
Yeah, this one is banana tree, and the sauce is from coconut and sambal.
Ah, okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, and again, can you try it again with some rice, maybe that you cannot die? So this is the urap.
Quite refreshing, I would say. It's like it's not the cucumber, okay? But it feels the springy somehow.
Yeah, green beans or something, yeah? Oh, those are
Probably,
green beans. There's chili inside for sure, but maybe those are the green beans we are, yeah, those are the green beans.
It's really refreshing and a bit spicy.
No. This one here, which is the gado-gado, is very tasty. The peanut sauce is very dominant. But there's still lemongrass inside.
Looks the same.
Senaru village. For the guests, the families, where they also sleep. And
Yeah, they sleep sometimes outside.
And the families, they stay in the house, and where you only let family members in.
But now you can go into inside.
Yeah. For us as a tourist, make a special exemption. And this is a rice storage. More houses, a little garden. Collection of coconuts for the ceremony. The roofs will survive 3 years on average, and they have to be renewed. We have a local to interview.
Hello. Where are you from? And this food?
Very small honeybees, when you see my hand next to it. They are quite small. And the honey is collected to make sweets with it. For cooking. Oh, there are more here.
The bee is small.
Yeah.
But a lot.
The honey, this one is color is like orange.
Okay.